Today I'll be showing you how to recover your animation after a character is no longer linked in. You might see these errors slightly different depending on which rig you're using, but saying it cannot find your character. But there are ways to fix this. You can copy the keyframes or you can use the action editor. And I will show you how to use the action editor. Looking over in the outliner, you can check to see what is not linked anymore. What the outliner is showing us right now is that our model/mesh is no longer being found. Chances are your original file has been moved or shifted and is no longer being directed to that. So we'll need to change it. If you right click on it and make local, I've not had luck with that. I do not suggest using that. Instead, you should link the file in again from the correct spot and attach everything then. So what I just did is I went into where I saved my character, linked him back in. I'm proxying him again so I can use all my controls. I will then go into the old character, Vincent, from the Blender Cloud. Free rig, very nice, I enjoy it. So I go back in, and then I will move to the dope sheet and see where all my keyframes are. And then I will go down and switch the dope sheet into the action editor. And then what I'll do is I'll create a new action and I'll save all of my keyframes to this action. So I click the plus sign, I name it something that I'll remember. I'll leave the dope sheet, I'll go back into my 3D viewport, and I will select the new rig I just linked in. I will go back into the dope sheet/action editor, click on the menu, add in the action I just created, and check to see if my keyframes are there. And now you see in the 3D viewport that my character is animated. And most everything has been taken care of, but since it's Blender Cloud, they have the Blend Rig add-on that you have to use for the rigs to work. I have to go into their settings and make sure that they match my old rig. I am switching my arms from IK to FK because that is what I was animating in before. And now that I did that, the arms are working again, just how I animated them. If you're using a different rig, there'll be slight variations that you'll need to account for and change, but basically that's it. I hope this was helpful.